Hello friend, this is NemoPeng from GospelBoat. Nice to see you again. Today I will be glad to introduce this boat behind me. It is our 8.5 meter Profisher aluminum fishing boat with forward leaning cabin. Yeah, you can see. It's almost ready to be delivered. I show you now. Yeah, you can see it has the same streamlined hull as our other size of Profisher. It is deep V and double chine. You can see the bottom. We use 6mm plate of the bottom side and 5mm for the side. And for chain engines, this is the transducer mounting bracket, trim tab mounting bracket, and the 2 ladders. Let's get out to have a look. Now I'm standing at the rear part. You can see this is the cabin, full closed with the cabin door. And at the front is also the rest area. There will be soft cushions here and a toilet under cushions. This is the cabin door. An option, if you don't need, we won't build it up. The dashboard for electronics and right side captain seat, and behind it you can put a kitchen here with a sink and stove. Also can put a fridge here if you want. And on left side, this is a 2-way seat, can face front or face back. This is an adjustable table and a big bench seat. When you drop down the table and put the cushions on, this will become a bed. And a fresh water tank under this plate. Yeah, so this is the basic layout of inside the cabin. Sliding window, forward leaning cabin makes the space more bigger. This is the deck area for fishing. Under this plate is the fuel tank. About 400 liters. This is a folding seat, a battery box, a big live bait tank, cutting bait board, rod holders, cup holders, a spare live bait tank. Okay friends, if you think 7.5 meter is too small for you, you can try this size. Next size is 8.6 by 3 meter. That size can't ship by 40 feet high container. Only can ship by flat rack. Shipping freight will be higher than this. Okay. If you want to know more, feel free to contact with me. We have different size, different designs available. Okay. See you. Bye bye.